Welcome to this Linux tutorial where we'll explore the powerful locate command for efficiently searching files in Linux. Are you tired of manually searching for files in Linux? Well, say goodbye to that frustration as we dive into the world of locate. Searching for files manually can be time-consuming and frustrating. You might have to navigate through multiple directories, use various commands, and still might not find what you're looking for. But what if I told you there's a better way? The locate command allows you to search for files quickly and efficiently by searching a database of file paths. This database is typically updated periodically to ensure you have the latest file information. The basic syntax of locate is simple: locate, file name. Let's see locate in action. First, we need to update the locate database using the updated command. Once that's done, we can search for a file, for example, example.txt. The locate command will then display the path to the file if it exists in the database. To get the most out of locate, make sure to update the database regularly. You can do this by running updated as a cron job or manually when needed. Also, be aware that locate is case sensitive, so make sure to use the correct case when searching for files. That's it. You've now learned how to use the locate command to efficiently search for files in Linux. Practice using locate and explore other Linux commands to improve your productivity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Linux tutorials and tech content.